Hi friends, welcome back my channel Gulf Lotto. Today's prediction Omillionaire 6, 10, 22. 1 to 10, 1, 2, 5, 6, 8 and 10. 11 to 20, 11, 12, 13, 16, 17, 18 and 19. 21 to 30, 21, 23, 25, 26, 27 and 29. 31 to 40, 34, 38, 39 and 40. 41 to 44 no number. Previous result 3, 31, 33, 36, 37, 42 and 43. Here 42 match, 43, 37, this number match and 5 or 6 number chance 36 pass. Previous number 2 number repeat 37 and 33. Also I said plus 1 30 plus 1 31, 41 plus 1 42. You check previous video, I explained that. 19, 29, 39 no passed. Try this draw. 19, 29 and 39. One number chance. This draw 6 also important number because this is previous result 638 and 368. Here also 638, 83, next 6 also chance. You check this also 21, next draw 19. Here 21, next draw 19, 29 and 31, next draw 39. Here 21, next draw 39 and here 31, next draw 19. Here also 31 half, next draw 19, 29 or 39 chance. And 41 to 44 no number chance and no repeat. Your number selecting time, just select this type. For example, here you check 3, 33, 43. Here 8, 18. Here 12, 32. Here 3, 33. Here 7, 17. Here also 12, 32. Here 12, 42. 7, 37. 9, 29. 6, 16. 3, 23, 33. 17, 27. 19, 29. 18, 28. You selecting time, choose 6, 16 or 27, 17, 27 like this. Here add 9 and 9, 19, 29, like this. And one more chance, 10, 20, 30, 40, one number chance, because every month first draw one number like that. 2, 6, 10 half, 7, 7, 40 half, 1, 9, 20 half. Also 6, 10, one number chance. Repeat draw result 22, 9, 22 chance, or +1 or -1. How I explain? This is first draw result. Here you check 1 +1 2. After one draw 1 +1 2, 13. Repeat. And next 10, repeat after one draw, 25 +1 26. And next 19, repeat, 27 +1 28. And next 18 -1 17, 28 -1 27, no repeat. And next 27 +1 28, 17 -1 16, no repeat, plus and minus here. 6 +1 7, 16 repeat. Next 7 -1 6, 23 repeat. Next here 1 +1 2, 32 -1 31, plus and minus. Next here 8 repeat, 33 repeat, and 31 -1 30. Next draw this, maybe repeat this number, or plus one number, or minus one number. Thanks for watching. Good luck all of you.